Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to design selective edits using mask overlay. Start by making a rough selection of the area you want to adjust and open Select and Mask. Enable Mask Overlay View Mode to clearly see editable regions. Use the brush tool to refine the mask, focusing only on the targeted area. Zoom in to avoid affecting surrounding elements. Apply adjustments like brightness or color changes through adjustment layers linked to the mask. Preview the result to ensure a natural transition. Output the mask non-destructively. Selective edits give precise control, so explore